Hello friends, welcome to TOSCA Shorts. So in this clip, we are going to look into the date functions. Using this date function, we are just going to see how to define the dynamic date in our project. Okay, so this is the syntax of the date function. So this is basically open curly braces, date, and three square braces, and closing the date function by curly braces. So this is the syntax, as you all know. So what is the first square braces explains about the base data, which is the current date or the runtime date. So second square braces gives you the offset value. It is like adding or subtracting the minutes or the seconds from the base date. And the third format is the date format. Like you can give in many way. For example, I have given you the two format, which is DD or YYY dot mm or DD, or it can be instead of dot, it can be slash. So that is the format we can give in this third square braces. Okay, so using this date function, let's see how we are going to create a dynamic date function. Okay, so let's get started and jump into the commander. So here is the commander, which is a test case module. So this is the test case. So I'm going to create a new um folder was not required. So I'm going to add a test step called gbox buffer. So this buffer, we are going to specify the time limiter. So which will be like setting up the time. Okay, so we can rename it as time time limiter. Okay, so this is our gbox set buffer. We have given the name, and the value we can provide here is we are going to set the limit, okay, using the days with the help of date function. So date function is this three square braces, and we are closing it. So the base date will be of empty because it will pick up the current runtime date. So the offset value I'm limiting to increasing 180 seconds from the current time, and I'm preparing the format to be DD, DD. Yeah. So I'm going to give my format as YYYY month, day, with the hours, minutes, and the seconds. So we are talking about the time, so I'm just including the hours, minutes, and seconds. Okay, so yeah, the syntax is perfect now. So just we will try to execute. Yeah, perfect. This is the exact current value. Okay, so now we are going to evaluate it. Okay, so that we can use that evaluate function in our real-time scenarios for the dynamic time or a date function. Okay. So I am going to add a step called T-box evaluation 2. Okay. So this is the evaluation. So now I have to verify it, right? So using this time limiter, I am going to verify with the current time. Okay. So this is simple. So the same date function, mm, date function, and it should be of base date. Okay, then it should be of the same format. Y mm dd h s s. Then I am going to compare this with the time limiter buffer. Okay, so I am going to add the buffer time ln time limiter buffer, just checking whether this is greater than the current timer. Okay, so the syntax is perfect now. So I'm going to check this as the to translate value. Okay, let's see. So it is 16. It's 188.18. So here it is 182. Yeah, which is like 2+ minutes greater. So which is perfect. Okay. Yeah. So in this case, we can give um, this expression into our real-time scenarios. For the dynamic weight, we can even increase our offset value. So yeah. So in this case, we can even increase the seconds to more, or we can subtract 180 seconds from the current date. So which is like based on our requirement, we can add the um, offset value, and we can efficiently use in our project. So I hope this session really helps you, and please try it in your project requirements. And if you face any doubts or any challenges, please ping in comment sections. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you find it useful, please like and subscribe my channel. Bye now.